direct in St. Thomas, Cottage Pen, right out here in Morant, the home of Paul Bogle Foundation. And we are here presented live and direct with STEPA, St. Thomas Environmental Protection Agency.
Ice! Yeah man, this is prophecy and we say give thanks again for life again, you know, and all the living happenings that is taking place right now. And we are in St. Thomas right now, you know. The cause is all this upliftment, the cause is all this development, the environmental issue of it and the music and all, you know, prophecy life, you know, reggae life, everything. So right now we are in Cottage Pen. We're at the St. Thomas Environmental Protection Association, Benevolent Society. It's called STEPA. Environmental education, to educate people on how them treat the environment. You understand me? Because if you don't treat the environment good, the environment not treat it good. Hence that we have global warming and we have climate changes and all of them things. You understand me? So all of them things come underneath it, and with a happy environment then we sure know so we are going to production. We talk about alright, maybe like a callaloo bed in it. Youth groups come in and from that we can really we do callaloo juice. Organic, eating organic, growing of products and plants. Joint partner again with the DOJ, you understand me? GOJ, that's the government of Jamaica, is a joint partner with again, and the European Union. You understand me? So if you see it up there, it's a climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction projects. So all of these projects are under the one benefit. Financed by the European Union, partnership with the government of Jamaica and This project is supporting alternative livelihood in the Cottage Pen community throughout the establishment of agriculture and the honey production. Now if you can look over this, you know, you see the honey production start, and it's a small base of what we will be doing. And then we have a look, we have a see we have to farm some callaloo farm again. Another thing what we are going to do, we are going to train people how to play music, maybe a museum over there, so, amphitheater over there, so. But we train people because I and I involved in the music, so then again you can hear a man a string a card. You know? Tension rise down upon the surface, moving with my little ray of hope. Tide it get high, I'll be surfing. Weary but I know we've got to go. We can make it. Sure we can make it. Life is the ultimate chance, we've got to take it. Let's face it. Come on, let's face it. Stand up and fight now for what you believe. Yeah man, come with prophecy, man. A great project, man, and a St. Thomas, and we have to start from our home, we have to start from where we grew up. We have to start get interactive and get involved with different groups and different members who treasure the same kind of wealth we have upon this life, you know? The same kind of energy, the same kind of projection, the same kind of forward movements. As them teach us in school, you know, before God and all mankind, and I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart. The wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. And I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood and peace, to work diligently and creatively, and to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may be on the job, increasing beauty, fellowship and prosperity, and play an part in the advanced well-being of the entire human race. Rastafari. So it's just part of the mandate, you know. We have grown to know the roles of responsibility now, and we are mandate for the environment, we are mandate for agriculture, we are mandate for good climate, we are mandate for development, we are mandate to be more resourceful.
Well, we plow the field and scatter, brother, man. Good seed on the land. And it is fed and watered by our fathers almighty hand.
Yes, yeah.
So let us unite with the fellowship of love. Because love is the answer to all human problems. All the frustration and humiliation of human dignity is based upon the lack of love.
Rastafari.
So once we can unite and show these youth how the fellowship of love can accumulate to accommodate the empowerment and the upliftment of the entire community, then we will be able to lay a foundation to show them that love is a great significance
So Willie Lynch has taken 400 years to disintegrate our life. But my ancestors have given a lifetime to change this. And we are here now, we are the now. You understand? The now, every human being them say need at least a liter of water a day. Now look around here and see how much is suffering. See? Now we can't really leave this to the government alone because it's not one governance of a circle because Selassie laws and rules are coming clear now. So where the descendants of them season and those kind of knowledge we can raise our voice and people beckon and tweet and come together in unity and love as my brother Tony said we must do it right now. Marcus Garvey said we must get powerful now by any means get powerful today.
Our forefathers, our people who are oppressed with affliction and sorrow in many different ways. Then he set the poor and high from affliction and make us families like a flock. Remember he said the poor. I'll set the poor and high from affliction and make him families like a flock.
I will set the poor
and high from affliction that they will not be
applying poverty.
Right, behind every poor and high from affliction and make them families like a flock. That the righteous will feed and rejoice.
Yes, sir.
And all they need to do is stop our mouth. If they don't rise and observe these things, even they will understand the loving kindness of the Lord God.
Rastafari, we need not say no more.
I tell you.
The Most High said he will set the poor and high from affliction. My inflicted wounds, man, I live within the process of time and I know you so. I get my share of what's mine, you know? So that's
So it's just for us to utilize and modify our capability and look upon the youth and see what the values and attitude that they possess and modify their skills in a way that they can utilize the effort in the motivation of the world.
to modify others. Yeah. To modify.
They can become an example. Right.
We can't drop it apart. So there's no time.
On the Sabbath, mckjamtv, live and direct from STEPA, Cottage Pen, St. Thomas, on Clean Up Day, Earth Day, mckjamtv.